Hello moneymakers, today we delve into the world of passive income. Our topic, passive income ideas for beginners, how to earn money online. Now what is passive income? It's a way to make money that doesn't require you to trade hours for dollars. Instead, you set up a revenue stream once, and it continues to pay you over time with little to no effort on your part. It's like having a golden goose. Why is passive income beneficial? Well, it allows you to earn money while you sleep, vacation, or even while you're at your day job. It's a fantastic way to create financial freedom and open up more time for the things you really love. In this video, we will be discussing 10 ideas for beginners to earn money online. We'll cover a range of methods from affiliate marketing to creating your own online course. Each idea has the potential to generate a steady stream of income, if done right. So buckle up as we dive into these 10 passive income ideas that can help you make money even when you sleep. First on our list is affiliate marketing. Imagine being a middleman, connecting customers to products and earning a commission each time a sale is made through your referral. That's the essence of affiliate marketing. It's all about promoting products or services from other companies. Once a consumer makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own product. You simply need to find a product you believe in, start promoting it, and earn a piece of the profit from each sale you make. To get started, sign up for an affiliate program like Amazon Associates, create content around the products you want to promote, and remember to disclose your affiliate relationship to your audience. But remember, success in affiliate marketing doesn't come overnight. It requires time, effort, and most importantly, a strong relationship with your audience. With the right strategies, affiliate marketing can be a great source of passive income. Next up, we have creating a YouTube channel. This platform is a great way to share your passion, knowledge, or talent with the world while earning passive income. But how do we get started? First, you'll need to sign up for a YouTube account using your Google account. Once that's done, you can create your channel, customize it to reflect your brand, and start uploading videos. Now, what kind of content should you create? Well, that's entirely up to you. It could be tutorials, vlogs, reviews, or anything else you're passionate about. The key is to create content that provides value to your viewers. This could be in the form of entertainment, education, or inspiration. Once you've built up a substantial number of views and subscribers, you can start to monetize your channel. There are several ways to do this, such as through ad revenue, channel memberships, merchandise shelf, and YouTube Premium revenue. The more views and engagement your videos get, the more income you can potentially generate. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to YouTube. Moving on to the third idea, online memberships. Let's dive into the world of online memberships. This is about creating a platform where people subscribe to receive exclusive content, products, or experiences. It's like a club, but online. You might be wondering, how does it work? It's simple. You create a website or a platform, pack it with value. This could be blogs, videos, podcasts, ebooks, or even early access to your products. Then people pay a regular subscription fee to access what you offer. The key here is value. Your content needs to be so good that people feel it's worth the price. You can generate a substantial income from this, especially if you have a large number of subscribers. It's like a snowball effect. The more subscribers you have, the more income you generate. To achieve this, you need to understand your audience, what they want, and how you can provide it. Remember, it's not about making a quick buck, it's about building a community and providing value. Online memberships can provide a steady stream of income if you offer valuable content. Our fourth idea is selling print-on-demand designs. Imagine having a fashion line without the hassle of inventory or upfront costs. That's the beauty of print-on-demand. You create unique designs and partner with a print-on-demand service that prints your designs on products like t-shirts, mugs, or even canvas prints, only after a customer makes a purchase. To get started, all you need is a dash of creativity and a computer to create your designs. There are many free graphic design tools available online. Once your design is ready, upload it to a print-on-demand platform, select the products you want to sell, and set your price. Every time a customer orders a product with your design, the print-on-demand service takes care of the printing, packaging, and shipping. You earn the difference between the cost of production and the price you set. This model allows you to generate passive income from your creativity and design skills. Remember, creativity is your only limit when it comes to print-on-demand. Fifth on our list is developing an app or software. Now, you might think this is rocket science, but it's not. The world is becoming more and more digital, and there's always room for innovative applications or software. So, how does it work? You come up with a unique idea that solves a problem or fills a need. Then you either develop the app or software yourself, or hire a developer to bring your vision to life. Now you're probably wondering, how do I make money from this? Well, there are several ways. You can charge for the app or software itself, offer in-app purchases, or even make money through advertisements. Getting started is easier than ever. There are tons of free resources available online to help beginners learn how to develop an app or software. Platforms like Codecademy, Udemy, and Coursera offer courses that can help you kickstart your journey. It may seem daunting, but with the right resources, anyone can develop an app or software. Last but not least is creating an online course. What is an online course, you ask? Simply put, it's a digital class where you share your expertise on a particular subject. You, yes you, can become an educator from the comfort of your own home. Now, how do you create an online course? It starts with identifying a topic you are knowledgeable about and passionate to teach. Next, you plan your course content, breaking it down into digestible modules or lessons. Once your plan is in place, it's time to produce your content. This could be in the form of video lectures, written materials, quizzes, or a mix of all. Last but certainly not least, you'll need a platform to host your course. There are numerous online platforms available that are user-friendly and can help you reach a global audience. But how does this generate income? Well, once your course is live, students pay a fee to enroll. Depending on the platform you choose, you might receive a percentage of each sale or a flat fee per student. It's that simple. Sharing your knowledge through an online course can be both rewarding and profitable. And there you have it, 6 passive income ideas to help you start earning money online. Let's take a moment to recap. We kicked things off with affiliate marketing, a fantastic way to generate income by promoting products or services that you believe in. Remember, choose your affiliates wisely and always be authentic with your audience. Next, we dove into the world of YouTube. By creating a channel and publishing content that resonates with viewers, you can earn money through ad revenue and sponsorships. The key here is consistency and quality. We then explored the realm of online memberships. By offering exclusive content or services on a subscription basis, you can establish a steady stream of income. Be sure to provide value that justifies the cost of membership. Moving on, we discussed selling print-on-demand designs. This method allows you to sell your unique artwork on various products without the hassle of inventory or shipping. Your creativity is your only limit. Next up was the development of an app or software. If you have a knack for coding, or a great idea for a digital tool, this could be a lucrative path for you. It might require an initial investment of time and resources, but the potential payoff is substantial. Finally, we touched on creating an online course. If you're an expert in a particular field, why not share your knowledge and make money doing it? Platforms like Udemy or Coursera make this easier than ever. So, what's next? The choice is yours. Each of these passive income ideas has the potential to help you earn money while you sleep. But success doesn't come overnight. It takes time, effort, and a dash of courage to dive into these ventures. Before you go, there's one more thing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more money-making tips and tricks. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Take that step today.